Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2021 Honda Jazz Crosstar. Now it is finished in premium sunlight white. As you probably notice, it does come with 4 front parking sensors, LED headlights, LED fog lights, and of course these brilliant 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels as standard. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition they are all in, and most importantly the actual design pattern you do get on these alloys. But walking around to the rear now, as you can see, we've got 4 rear parking sensors and a reversing camera just up at the top there. We've then got plenty of room in the tailgate area with 60/40 split flat folding rear seats, and they do fold flat with this level just here. Walking around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. As you can see in the back of the car, we have got the cloth grey interior with the white and black accent on the outer edge of the seat base. You've got 4 electric windows all round as well. Jumping in this interior, it does carry on through the front as well. You've got all electric windows all around, as I did say, all of which are automatic. You've then also got your electric handbrake with brake hold, your economy mode, and of course your eCVT gearbox just here. We've then got climate control in the front with 2 front heated seats and your 9.5-inch display in the middle. As you can see, this does come with all your various audio sources just here. You then got your satellite navigation just there, and you do also have Bluetooth hands-free. However, my phone isn't connected, so I can't entirely show you that feature just now. However, you do get a bit of additional storage just there, as well as the glove box just down below. Moving over to the steering wheel, we've got your stereo radio controls, you've got your track select, volume, voice controls, and then your onboard computer controls are just in the middle there. We've then got your speed limiter and cruise control on the right hand side with your lane keep assist and your distance control. We've got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has only done 19,940 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Crosstar, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.